Taking a little hike through the jungle, why not? A few snakes, don't really like them. I don't know who I don't like better, either the mean old iguanas or the snakes. I think I can deal with the iguanas more than I can the snakes that I stepped on. So yeah, so just adventure solo is pretty fucking cool, because guess what? The adventure is just going alone, and then you get all the other stuff as extra, because guess what? Nobody interrupts you at your vacation, and you're the only one that really matters on this vacation. That's a beautiful thing.
One people can pass easily, but not more than three. It's like a very narrow entrance.
Tulum, Mayan.